Baby's moving?
A lot.
Good, excellent.
You can see it all over the place.
Yeah, awesome.
It's creepy.
Yeah.
I'm Jason. It's Christina. We met a little over 5 years ago. We've been married about a year and a half now and had a great wedding.
Super fun.
We both want kids, and we're not getting any younger, so we decided to start working on it, and here we are. We're having a baby.
That's true. It's almost 37 weeks, and it's a boy. We're excited. I think the best way to describe who I am is a type A who needs a clear plan.
So this is our schedule. It's the first of 10 schedules for the year. The whole point is to manage nap times during the day so that the baby will sleep through the night.
It's going to alert me during that month that I'm home and you're at the office when I'm supposed to be breastfeeding and which breast.
Babies don't really know night versus day when they're born. So if you let them sleep all the time and they're up all night, and then you're very sad.
Will you label them? You name them? How will we know?
I'm not naming your.
Okay, good. That would be weird.
So I've put it all into a Google Calendar and set alarms, and now they appear all over the place.